Welcome to Linux Self Tutorial. I am going to explain about how to install LibreNMS in Ubuntu. LibreNMS is an auto-discovering PHP MySQL based network monitoring tool which includes support for the wide range of network hardware and operating systems including the Cisco, Linux, FreeBSD, Juniper, HP, etc. LibreNMS is a community-based fork of Observium. Some of the features of the LibreNMS are automatic discovery, customizable alerting, distributed polling, plugin system, etc. Now we can see the installation of LibreNMS in Ubuntu. First, we can install and configure the MySQL server. The command is apt-get install mariadb-server. Now give enter. Now give us to download and install the packages. This will take some time. Now the MySQL server is installed. Now start the MySQL service. The command is service MySQL start. Now the MySQL server is started. Next you need to configure the MySQL server using the following command: mysql _secure _installation. Now give enter. Now there is no password for the root, so give none. Now press enter. Now we need to set the password for the root user. Now give s. Now enter the password. Retype the password. Now give s to remove the anonymous users. To disable the root login remotely. Now give s. To remove the test database and access to it. Now give s. Now you need to reload the privilege tables. Now give s. Now the MySQL configuration is completed. Now we can log in into the MySQL server. MySQL -u space root -p. Now give enter. Now give the password. Now we can see you have successfully logged in into the MySQL server. Now we need to create the database for the LibreNMS. Command is create database. Now the database name, it is LibreNMS. End it with a semicolon. Now give enter. Next you need to set the privileges for the database that is created. In this command I am going to give the privileges for the database LibreNMS and also going to create the database user, that is LibreNMS, with the password for the database user. Now give enter. Now the privileges are given. Now flush the privileges, semicolon. Now give enter. Now exit the MySQL server. Next you need to edit the MySQL configuration file. The command is nano /etc mysql /mariadb.conf.d/50-server.cnf. Now give enter. Here in the MySQLD session, we need to add the following lines: inodb underscore file underscore per underscore table is equal to 1, and the next line SQL -mode equal to double quotes equal to. Now save the file and exit. Now restart the MySQL server. The command is service MySQL restart. Now the MySQL service is restarted. Next you need to install the other dependency packages that are needed for the LibreNMS installation. Here are the dependency packages that are needed for the LibreNMS installation. Now give enter. Now give us to download and install the packages. This will take some time. Now the dependency packages are installed. Next you need to edit the PHP configuration file to enable the time zone. The command is nano /etc php /7.0 /apache2 /php.ini. Now give enter. Now we need to search the term date. Now we can see the date.time zone is disabled. Now enable this line and add your time zone here, the continent, then the city. Now save the file and exit. Next you need to enable the time zone in the another file, that is nano slash etc php 7.0 slash cli slash php.ini. Now again search the date and enable this and add the time zone. Now save the file and exit. Next you need to enable the dependency packages that are installed. Command is a2e nmod space php 7.0. Now give enter. Now the PHP module is enabled. Next you need to disable the npm event. The command is a2 dismod space npm underscore event. The npm event is disabled. Next you need to enable the npm prefork a2 enmod space npm prefork. Now the module is enabled. Next command is php nmod encrypt. Now the module is enabled. Next you need to add the LibreNMS user. The command is user add LibreNMS space -d space /opt slash LibreNMS space -m space -r. Now give enter. The next command is user mode. The user mode -a -g LibreNMS space www-data. Now give enter. Next we can download the LibreNMS package using the git command. Now change the directory to /opt and run the following command git clone, then the download link. Now the package is getting downloaded. This will take some time. Now the package is downloaded and extracted. Next you need to prepare the web interface for installing the LibreNMS. Now change the directory to LibreNMS and create the directory rrt and logs mkdir rrt space logs. The directory are created. Now set the permission for the rrt directory. Change mode 775 space rrt. The permission is set. Next you need to create the virtual host file for the Apache configuration. Nano /etc apache 2 /sites available /librenms.conf. In this librenms.conf file you need to add the following content. You need to create the virtual host, and in the server name you need to mention your host name here. After entering the following, now save the file and exit. Now we need to enable the virtual host configuration file. The command is a2 nsite space librenms.conf. Now the site is enabled. Now we need to reload the Apache. Next run the a2 nmod rewrite. Now we need to restart the Apache web server. Service Apache 2 restart. Now the Apache 2 web server is restarted. Now we can start the installation of the LibreNMS. Now open the web browser. Now enter your IP address and give enter. Now we can see the LibreNMS installation pages appear. Now click the next stage. And now we need to enter the DB password and click the next stage. Now you can see it is importing the MySQL DB and it is completed and the database setup is successful. Now click go to add user. Now add the user for the LibreNMS, username, password and the email for the user. Now click add user and now we need to generate the PHP configuration file. Now click generate config and you need to create the config.php file in the LibreNMS directory and paste this content nano config.php. Now give enter and paste the configuration lines and save and exit. Now refresh the page and now click resend. And now we can see the installation is completed, and now we can see the LibreNMS login page. Now enter your username and password. Now click login. Now we have successfully logged into the LibreNMS. Before using the LibreNMS, first you need to add the localhost device. For that, you need to run the following command: php add host.php space localhost space public space v2c. Now give enter. Now we can see the added device is one, that is the localhost that is added. Now we need to run the php discovery file, php discovery.php space -h all. Now the command is completed. Now we need to create the cron job. The command is cp librenms dot nonroot dot cron space slash etc cron.d slash librenms. Now give enter. Now the cron is created. Now open the web browser and refresh the page, and in the devices now we can see the localhost that is added. Now we'll click the localhost. Now we can see the system information of the localhost. The device is added, and this is the graphs of the system and the log information. And here you have the global settings. And if you want to add a user or remove user, you can use the user options here. And here you have the plugin manager. And to add a new device, you can use the add device option. And for searching, you can use the IPv4 search and the other search options. The LibreNMS is successfully installed in Ubuntu. Thank you for watching.